Unlock Bullion investing on a budget, smart strategies for limited funds. Welcome back, dear viewers. By now, you've learned the fundamentals of investing in bullions, but the burning question remains, how can you embark on this exciting journey with a limited budget? Well, you're in the right place, as we dive into the practical steps that can turn your financial aspirations into reality. Firstly, let's address the misconception that investing in bullions requires a hefty initial investment. That's not necessarily true. In fact, there are several ways you can start your bullion investment journey even with a limited budget. Consider starting small with silver bullion. Silver offers a more affordable entry point compared to gold, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. Keep in mind that silver has historically shown significant potential for growth, and it's a tangible asset that can serve as a hedge against economic uncertainties. Now, let's talk about dollar-cost averaging. This strategy involves consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. This approach can help mitigate the impact of market fluctuations, allowing you to accumulate bullions over time without trying to time the market. Next up, explore reputable online platforms that offer fractional ownership of bullions. This innovative approach allows you to buy a fraction of a bullion, making it more accessible for those with limited funds. This way, you can still benefit from the long-term potential of precious metals without breaking the bank. Now, let's touch on diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, consider spreading your investment across different types of bullions. This not only reduces risk but also provides a more well-rounded portfolio. Gold, silver, platinum, explore your options and find the mix that aligns with your financial goals. And of course, education is key. Take the time to research and understand the bullion market. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, whether it's about the types of bullions, market trends, or the factors influencing prices. Stay informed, and you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of bullion investments. To sum it up, starting your bullion investment journey on a limited budget is not only possible but can be a strategic and rewarding endeavor. Remember, it's not about the amount you start with, it's about the consistency and commitment to your financial goals. As we conclude this segment, I encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights on investing. Until next time, happy investing and may your financial future shine bright with the luster of precious bullions. Thanks for watching.